Okay, so I have set up the phone with most of my information. Here, one of my favorite things about this phone, the fingerprint reader on the power button, which I hope it becomes the norm and replace the in-display fingerprint reader. As you can see, very fast and reliable. Now let's see how the phone fits inside the case that came included in the box. Something I'm glad to see, though I had already ordered another case which I actually prefer, because here in the UK we usually don't get cases inside the boxes. But kudos to Poco for including one in the box. Well done. It would also protect the camera. Very important. Yes, so far so good. My very first impressions are positive. So let's see after a few days of usage. Stay tuned because I'm planning to do a camera and also a specs comparison videos against the Galaxy M51 and possibly the Galaxy Note 10 Lite 2. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't so you don't miss those videos. See you in the next one and hasta la vista.